Sam and Al. Sam is a cat. Al is a man. Sam and Al are pals. Sam and Al gab. Sam has a nap. Al has ham for Sam. Al taps the cat. Al pats Sam. The ham is on the pan. The pan is on the mat. A rat is on the mat. Sam is mad at the